Hello everyone, I am going to do the ninth experiment of the database systems lab. I will show you the question. So this is a question. So the experiment deals with triggers and cursors. So we have to create a trigger using the syntax. This experiment deals with triggers. So I'll show you the spool file first. This is a spool file, so this is a syntax to create a trigger. So next I'll show you the document and explain the queries. So first question is create a trigger to prevent the same car booked by customer at the same date. So the syntax of creating a trigger is create or replace trigger and trigger name, that is I have given tr1 before, that is before insertion on car booking. For each row, when new dot booking date is equal to old dot booking date and new dot customer id is equal to old dot customer id, begin dbms underscore output dot put line. This displays the car already booked. Raise application error if the customer is not the member. So create a replace trigger name before insertion or updation on car booking for each row when new dot customer id is less than or greater than or equal to old dot customer id. Then begin raise an application error, you are not a member. Create a trigger to update the price details whenever new car is added. So create or replace trigger name is tr5 before updation on price details table for each row when new dot price details is not equal to old dot price details. This is begin dbms underscore output dot put line update on price details. Okay. So this should be printed. The fourth question is create a trigger to delete the record in the car details table. Corresponding row has to be removed from the price details. So create a replace trigger, the trigger name after delete on car details for each row. Begin, this is the execution section of the trigger. So delete from price details car id is equal to old dot car id. Okay. So I display it using the dbms underscore output dot put line function. So entry deleted will be displayed if it is deleted. The fifth one is create a trigger that will inform you to update the price at the last day of the month. So we use syntax create or replace trigger name before update on price details for each row when system date is equal to last date of system date. Begin dbms underscore output dot put line. This will be displayed update on price details and this to end the trigger. Next one is create a trigger that will display the number of booking when new bookings are added. So create or replace trigger name is tr6 after insertion on car booking for each row. Declaration is num is a variable of type data type number and its limit is 2, that is its length is 2, maximum length can be 2. So begin is execution section. Select count star means count of all the columns into number from num from car booking and dbms underscore output dot put line. This displays the number. The seventh one is display the about trigger, disable the about created trigger. So we can disable using the alter command, alter keyword, alter trigger and the trigger name and disable it. Drop the last created trigger. So we use the drop keyword, drop, trigger and trigger name. 9th question is display the count of each car being booked. So I create again a trigger whose name is TR6. After insertion on car booking for each car, declaration section is number. Num is a variable of type number which has maximum length of 2. Then begin. This is the execution section. Select count of all columns into num from car booking. So dbms underscore output dot put line displays this number, and hence it ends. End is for end keyword is used to end trigger execution part of the trigger. Thank you. That's all for this experiment.